circle tells you how big your selection tool is. It's called a brush. It's like a paintbrush, right? Some are thicker and they're good for painting bigger stuff. Some are thinner and they're good for painting thinner stuff. If any of you paint, you understand this better than I do. So I'm going to start selecting this penguin. Now, where do I change the brush? Here it says the size. So if I want a small brush, right, I make the size smaller. I want a big brush, I make the size bigger. And you can do this in middle, like you can change in middle. Okay, now a big brush is good for doing big areas. Small brush we're going to do for small areas. This is what I do. I can either click in different places. Notice I made one click. Okay, that one click. My computer is looking for contrast, and that's important so you understand the tool so you'll know why it works or doesn't work. When I click, my computer looked for areas of contrast. So it went to the left till it saw the snow, to the right till it saw the white, till the top, like where it was confident in going. I can click further. Look what happened. I clicked one more time. It took it all the way down to the end. Now I could also click and drag, meaning I can click or I can click and drag like this. Now here's complicated, or let's say this foot, okay? If I click right now on this foot, I'm going to show you what happens. Look what it did. It took way too much because my circle is bigger than the foot. So I'm going to do Control Z.